In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Shopee using the QR code method. This process is simple, efficient, and a great way to quickly access your account, especially when you're in a rush. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Shopee website. If you haven't already bookmarked the page, you can simply search for it in Google and click on the link that directs you to the official Shopee website. You should see the homepage filled with an array of delightful products waiting for you to explore. Now we want to move on to the login page. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Clicking on this will present you with a couple of options to access your account. Today, we're focusing on the Login with QR option, which is becoming increasingly popular for its convenience and speed. Once you've clicked Login with QR, a QR code will pop up on your screen. At this point, you'll want to switch to your phone. Open the Shopee app if you have it downloaded. If not, you may need to download and install it from your app store. Once you're on the app, look for the option to scan a QR code. This feature is typically found within the login or authentication settings. Scanning the QR code from your computer screen through your phone might sound tricky at first, but it's as simple as taking a picture. Just point your camera steadily at the code until it's recognized by the app. After successfully scanning the QR code, you'll be automatically logged into your Shopee account on your computer. That's it, you're done. It's as simple as a scan and click. You've seamlessly transitioned from staring at the login page to browsing through your favorite shops and listings on Shopee. Using the QR code login not only streamlines the process, but also adds an extra layer of security by avoiding direct password entry on your computer. This can be particularly handy in public spaces or shared environments. And there you have it. You've successfully logged in using Shopee's QR code method. Quick, easy, and secure. We hope this guide has provided you with clear instructions and insightful tips to make your online shopping experience more efficient. Thanks for joining us and happy shopping on Shopee.